Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Dewey in Georgia on this Connex 3300 HP. Dewey, you got an oldie but a good one. We got all the cold solder joints repaired and went over it real good. Had a buzzing noise in the receive, we took care of that. Did some receive mods to it, tuned it, lined it, and it is ready to go. RF power on low, 5-watt slug, 2 watts, 5 on high, go back down to low, 50-watt slug, average power, auto, low, 15 bird average, peak side, low, 30 peak. Alright Dewey, it's ready to come to you, my friend. It's clean and mean Connex from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.